When I tell you, I'm obsessed with this wig. This thing is gonna have me in a chokehold. Look how pretty this is. This is a one of those glueless closure mommies. How are y'all doing today? Hopefully you're doing well. I'm doing fantastic because girl, look at me. Y'all already know how good I feel when I got me a good curly wig that's firmly melted into my forehead like a hot day on asphalt. Wait, does that make sense? Y'all know I love a good curly wig, and I want to say thank you to Nadula Hair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video, because when I tell you, I'm obsessed with this wig. This thing is gonna have me in a chokehold. Look how pretty this is. This is a one of those glueless closure mommies. Wig cap, all that stuff, but the most important part is going to be this wig. This wig is the 24-inch 7x5 Byebyeknots Ombre Chestnut Brown curly wig with finger coil ends. But the most important part is that she is super duper easy to apply, and she's going to be super duper secure. One thing I love about this wig is the hair color. When I pulled her out of the box, I was like, oh, they said hair color. This is a gorgeous coloring job. It's so satisfying. I take that drawstring in the back, I pull it tight, and the first thing I'm gonna do is take my mousse. This is the Mousse Def Texture Font. Wait, no, not Mousse Def Texture Font. Oh my God, this is a Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. Obviously, we like to add that to the hair and then go in with our pattern shower brush. So after the part is defined, we're gonna go ahead and dry the hair. Now I like to dry my hair using a diffuser. I love using my Dyson just to blow dry my hair and get these curls completely dry. And then I'm gonna go in with my Chi serum. It smells so good, and it's not an oil, but it helps the hair stay coiled without fluffing up. Like, I want the curls to stay defined, and I like a little bit of frizz, but not too much frizz. So I'm fluffing up the hair, and what I typically do to make my curls bigger is I pull my hair at the roots, and then I allow the ends to fluff up on their own. So the hair starts to look more and more beautiful throughout the day. It even looks better the next day. I'm actually wearing this wig the next day, and it looks so good, so realistic. And those finger coil ends did not disappoint. They look so pretty. The hair looks so realistic. And when I tell you this hair looks good the next day and the next day after that, if you are interested in this wig, I will go ahead and leave a link for this unit down below. I also will leave a coupon code down below for the girlies that are going to get some money off, because you know we coupon clippers over here. We don't be playing them games. So go ahead and check out that coupon code on the screen as well as down below. Is the finished look on the hair. You already saw the outfit. I smell amazing, delicious, and the look is tea. Like, the hair is absolutely stunning. I love this hair. I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna sleep in this hair tonight. So the style that I'm starting with is obviously going to be the half up, half down. And girl, the first time I did it with a scrunchie and it looked a mess. So I went back in with a rubber band and pulled it up tight. I think it was cute, but y'all know I like a little tendril on the front. It was cute, but not exactly my favorite. Now the second style is definitely going to be a bun. I'm just gonna take all this hair down, and then I'm just gonna pull the hair all on top of the head. Now I love the great thing about the drawstring in the back is that this wig don't go nowhere, girl. You can flip and flop this wig everywhere, which makes it perfect to sleep in. So I'm just gonna pull it on top of my head, like with a messy bun. This is like what I would wear around the house, but look how cute it is. It looks so realistic, and you really can't tell that there's no ear tabs on this wig. Like, you can, but you can't, and I love that. But y'all tell me what your favorite style is. It really does give what it's supposed to have gave. I absolutely love this wig. So thank you to them.